Kia ora e te whānau. I'm Emily and this is...
Alan.
The lovely Alan. Hey, it's good to see you.
And this is...
Whoa.
Alan.
Good intro into Sound Week though. Hey, we're really pleased to be here. I think today is...
15.
Monday.
Yep, Monday. Yep.
Monday. And this is our 15th live show. So pat yourself on the back, Alan. Just 3 times.
Pat yourself on there, out there on your back
Yeah.
as well.
Pat yourself on the back. I would love to know how many shows people have watched because I know some people have watched them all, so I appreciate that. But yeah, you can see them all on our website. So thank you for being here. It's really kept us entertained and focused, so thank you very much. And today, we are going to be making a bit of a mess. What Ellen is. And we're going to have a bit of an explosion to start the week, which is really exciting. So this week we are having Noise Week.
Woo!
Alan, it's all about sound,
Excellent.
how sound is created, how it behaves, and all that stuff. The science behind sound, so that's going to be really cool. But do not panic, my friends. There is one segment we will not get rid of, probably for the rest of our lives, and that is...
Joke of the day. Joke of the day.
Joke of the day. And today I'll be sharing my favourite joke of all time.
Excellent.
It's
Cool.
not topical, but it is good. But news just in. It's some people are saying joke of the day. Very good. News just in. It's actually Easter weekend this weekend.
Right.
I know at the moment it's really hard to tell what day it is, but actually it's Easter this weekend. Myself and Alan really love Easter, and we observe Easter. So actually, oh gosh, I don't know how to tell them. I'm just going to tell them. There's going to be no Science in a Band live on Friday, Saturday and Sunday. Alright?
Yep.
No crying. You probably need a break as much as we do from ourselves. So we're going to be in our little Easter bubble having Easter fun. So no shows Friday, Saturday and Sunday. But we will be here all this week, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and we'll be back on Friday.
Excellent.
So,
cool.
Noise Week.
We are having some issues glitching, and I don't know why, because everything's kind of working this end.
Sorry.
But that's cool. Remember, if we do go down on YouTube, we have got Facebook as a backup as well. We have got Facebook as a backup as well. So for any reason we glitch and that, don't leave. That's nice.
I just did something. There might be an internet adult out there that knows that. So I just went and opened the door to the garage so our internet could come through better.
Cool.
I don't know if that's a thing. Alright, so let me know. Okay, so today and for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, we are talking about sound. And these 2 sentences behind us is going to be really super handy. So these signs are from our Science of Sound show. Sound is caused by...
Vibrations.
So everybody put your hand on your throat and say as deeply as you can. Vibrations.
Vibrations.
That was quite low. Can you go lower?
Yes.
Can it? Go.
Oh.
Tickles. So you should feel your vocal cords vibrate, and sound is caused by vibrations. The second sentence that we're going to go into throughout the week, sound needs a material to travel through. So we will explain more in great detail, but don't forget to subscribe. We are up to 640 something.
Yeah.
We need 1,000 to do some fun experiments outside, which I'm really keen to do. So please help us out. Bother your friends and family to subscribe. Apparently YouTube's not working that well. I'm not working that well today either, so it's going to be alright. So Ellen, what experiment are you doing today?
Cool. Well, we're going to do a great experiment which kind of recaps on what we did last week and introduces the theme of this week as well, all at the same time, Emily.
Excellent.
But I just want to say something, Em. I just want to make it clear, if we are breaking up on YouTube, I'm not too sure what it is, if it's our end or what it is. Hop over to Facebook and watch there, but YouTube is a better channel, and in theory, even if the streaming is a bit sticky, the show should be up on our YouTube channel for you to watch at a later moment as well. So we're just going to keep going and see what happens, and all is good for now. I'm just going to put that over there.
Yeah,
and here I have a container, and in that container I have a small amount of liquid, and I have this unusual substance here. We will talk about this a little bit more. I'm going to put the substance into the liquid. I'm going to seal the lid on the container. I'm going to give it a shake, and I'm going to put it there. So we can see the container there. We might want to make some predictions of what's going to happen. We might want to also get ready to make some observations with our eyes and our ears. And we might want to think about what's going to happen. So remember, observations are looking at stuff, predictions. Ah! Cool.
That was actually terrifying.
Is everyone still alive? Everyone's heart rate cool? Where you going then?
I kind of wish I was watching on YouTube and that would have frozen. That gave me a hell of a fright because it hit something a bit earlier than I expected. Okay, that's fine.
We will be doing that again, but I don't know if you can see, but on the tray here and on the lid, you can see the fizzing and the foaming, and that gives us a clue of what's going on. That's an observation that can help us make predictions and work out what's going on.
That was really loud.
So very quickly, in here, we've got, we put in a tablet called an Alka-Seltzer. Don't worry about that too much. This is medication, so please be careful if you do this at home. But what's happening is when the Alka-Seltzer mixes with the water in the container, the two materials in there start to mix with each other. When they mix with each other, they try and neutralise, cancel each other out. As they do this, they produce a gas, and that gas pressure builds up. As the pressure builds up in the container, that pressure builds and builds. The container pops with that energy, and the container pops, and it creates that noise as well. I'm going to explain a little bit more about the noise later on and why that's created, but it is to do with sound is caused by vibrations, and we hear it because sound is caused by vibrations and how it travels as well. It travels through the materials around us.
Hang on a minute.
Yep.
This reminds me of another experiment. Actually, I've just spied this over here in the garage because we didn't put it in the bin. It's not working. So, was it on, what day was it? Saturday, Friday? I don't know what day. But we did that experiment where we mixed vinegar and baking soda. Is this similar, Alan?
Yes, it is similar. It is similar to that. And what happened in that experiment?
Well, we had the bottle with the vinegar, we had the baking soda with the balloon, and we mixed them together and they changed. And we actually produced a gas called carbon dioxide. Exactly. Yes. There we go. So thanks to the acid, the vinegar, and the alkaline, the baking soda mixing together, they cancelled each other out and produced carbon dioxide. And in our Alka-Seltzer tablet, we've got acid and an alkaline. In their dry forms, they're fine. When they get wet, thanks to the water, they mix. But that's all to do with materials, and that's what we spoke about last week. This week, we are focusing on sound. As this container popped, well, as it went off, there was a pop, a noise, sound. So we know that that sound was caused by vibration, because all sounds are caused by vibrations. So the sound was caused by vibrations. Now, sound is energy. To make sound, we need energy. If you're going to bang a chime, you need to hit it. That's your energy making a noise. Okay, that's your energy helping to cause the vibrations to make the noise. So there we had the energy build up thanks to the reaction, the gas pressure built up. That's energy. The container popped, and that energy spread through the air, causing vibrations, and that's the noise we could hear. And that was the popping of the container. So sound is caused by vibrations. Sound needs a material to travel through. Emily's actually going to explain a little bit more how the sound travels through the air and how we hear it. What were you saying, man?
Yep.
Well, I got a big fright when that popped because I heard that sound, and then I heard another sound, which was that container hitting our garage door thingy machine.
Roof, yeah.
Yeah. So there's plastic on that, and that vibrated too, Alan. So when things vibrate, the thing vibrates, like this table's vibrating, we can see that, but actually those vibrations then vibrate the air around, which vibrates the air around, which vibrates the air around. It goes on for some time. And eventually those vibrations get to your ear. Yeah. And then your ear's amazing, right? That's why you should never put anything in your ears. Actually, Alan, the only thing that you should put in your ear is your own elbow. If you lick it first, it'll go on first time. I love that. I hope you're doing that at home. Okay, so yeah, eventually those vibrations get to your ears, and the little hairs in your ears, man, there's a lot of ears, hairs, oh my goodness. They pick up those vibrations, and they sort of send pulses, electrical pulses to your brain. Your eardrum's got to do with it as well, and then your brain makes sense of those vibrations. I actually think that's incredible. Now, if you're lucky enough to have a cochlear implant to help you hear, or you know somebody that does, that actually bypasses the hairs in your ear, which I think is incredible, to be honest.
Hi, my friends. I'm just going to check in. We are going to do the rockets again. I have a few more here. Can someone just put love hearts in the comments if you are still receiving us?
Yeah, I had to stop the comments on my phone because I didn't want to suck up the internet. I don't know if that's science, but it made me feel better.
If we can just put some love hearts in the comments if you can still hear us.
Alright, so Alan, why are you lining up all these things?
Cool, because we're going to launch some more rockets.
Ooh.
So we're not getting any comments through.
No.
It does seem as if our live feed has gone down.
Oh, I think the co-pictures have gone to Facebook and they can hear us.
I'm just going to check something. Yep, not on your YouTube. So, our YouTube's gone down, so we're going over to Facebook.
Oh, just leave that there. Oh, yeah. He's just typing in, we're going to Facebook so people know. That's very kind, Alan. I don't know why Facebook mucks with us. But if you're on Facebook now, you will be able to...
people can still hear us, apparently.
Yeah, I thought maybe they could.
Yep. That's cool.
So if you can hear us on YouTube, stay where you are.
Yeah.
But if you can't, obviously hop over to Facebook. So it's all okay with some people. Sorry about that. Technical glitch. I think we're going to have a bit of a shorter show today, Alan, because I can't deal with this technology today. How about you?
So, I'm going to go 3, 2, 1. Okay. On 1, we're going to drop the things into the containers, put the lids on, put them lid down there, and we're going to see what happens. I will warn you, you've got 4 white things, 3 containers, so you're going to have a spare in case we need it. There we go.
So, I take the white thing.
Yeah.
Put in the container, there's a little bit of water in there.
Yep.
Put the lid on and turn it over on the tray.
Yep, correct, yep.
I can do that.
Here we go, are you ready, Em?
Kind of.
We're going to go. 3, 2, 1, go.
Oh, no. I want my mouth. No, I'm still going.
There's one more to go. So my friends, remember the 2 materials are in there mixing together. As they mix together, they create a gas. That gas of pressure builds up, creates a pulse. And also as that pulse goes through the air, it creates a sound we hear as well. So we've got 3 more to go.
My nerves are shot. Like, seriously. There's 3 more. There's a lot of bubbling going on there.
There is, isn't there?
Yeah, there is.
Oh.
Here
we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Ah! What are the neighbours going to say? It's so loud.
Hey! There we go, my friends. So, that is fantastic elastic. We saw a lot of mess. We saw a lot of excitement. But remember, sound is caused vibration. Sound needs a material to travel through. So, my friends, Science in the Van is going to keep coming at you through whatever way we can and that. Things have been slightly interesting today. I think we had a glitch on YouTube, but it seems to kind of sorting itself out now. So, quick update about what's happening this week. This week we are going to be talking about sound. Sound is caused by vibrations and sound needs a material to travel through. We're going to keep talking through those throughout this week, exploring them in lots of different ways. There are going to be experiments you can do at home as well. Tomorrow, you might want to find yourself a plastic straw and a pair of scissors to do tomorrow's experiment.
Oh, I know that one.
Also, we do a bit of a make as well, and for that you will need 2 empty food cans and a piece of string and a way of making holes in metal. Either a drill or a nail and that. But don't worry too much about that. We will talk about that more tomorrow, and maybe you want to watch us make it and then go off and make it rather than make it with us. So don't worry about getting your cans, but do get your straws and do get your scissors. Plastic straws, sorry about that. So if you've got some, it's a way of using them up. If you haven't got any,
just watch us. It's
probably best not to get any more. So you need plastic straws and the scissor. And we will be doing an experiment that needs cans and strings, but you don't need your cans and strings for tomorrow. It's something you can do at a later date. And we will be exploring sound through this entire week. But remember, Friday, Saturday and Sunday, there is no Science in a Van live because of Easter, but there will be some other little bits of pre-recorded content going up online as well.
Promises.
But, my friends, it's that time.
What?
Whatever happens, whatever glitches we face, it is that time again. It is time for Science in a Van. So take your hands like this.
Joke of the day.
For Joke of the Day. It's that time for that segment that everyone enjoys. Joke of the Day. Take your hands like this and let's go. It's time for Joke of the Day. Day.
My favourite joke. What did one snowman say to the other?
I don't know, Emily. What did one snowman say to the other?
Do you smell carrots?
Boom! There we go, Science in a Van live fans. I hope you've enjoyed today. Today has been a little bit shorter. We did have those glitches and we couldn't get the comments in quite the same way, but we will just stay on for a little bit longer if you want to put some comments. But remember, Science in a Van coming at you every day at 12:45. This week we're talking about sound. Sound is caused by vibration. Sound needs a material to travel through. And Emily,
what?
Are you ready for lunch?
I am so ready for lunch. Oh, I love eating. Hey, thanks for being here, team, and we'll see you tomorrow. Same bat time, same bat channel. Oh, we haven't used that before. I like it. Hey, thanks for sticking with us for our technical difficulties, and we'll see your faces tomorrow. Should we put on the music out?
Yeah, why not, if that works.
Oh, well, we'll see, eh? We'll see. I reckon it will. I've got a good feeling about it. Do, 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 do. Science in a shed. Trying to work it.
Science in a van. Science in a van.
Oh, that's good.